Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. So today I have another clean with me video, and in this video I'm just cleaning mostly upstairs because it was in shambles after I got the girls ready. Yesterday we were rushing for them to go to school, so everything was just like everywhere. And previously I had recorded in their room. I'm always recording in their room, so I kind of made that room a mess, so I had to, you know, clean up. And if cleaning up is not your cup of tea because it's not everybody else's, I suggest try it with music, whatever music you love to listen to, whether it be worship, hip-hop, like gospel music, whatever you like to listen to. I would suggest try, do that with like whatever music you like, and trust me, you will enjoy it even more. But me personally, I love to clean. It just, because when the room is, obviously, we get tired. Don't let me lie to you guys. Sometimes I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to do this. But after I do it, it just makes me feel so good. It makes me feel so refreshed. And it just makes me want to do other things. Like, it opened up my mind and I'm more inspired and all of that. Because I don't like to work in a, dirty environment or cluttered environment and stuff like that. So that is that. You can see my room is very much minimalistic kind of, but we're still gonna switch things around. But for right now, this is what we have. And for the bed, we're still switching up the bed sheets, and it's in the dryer right now, so that's why I didn't really make the bed. And I'm not the best at making the bed, but this is this is just to keep everything looking neat and clean.
Even when it's hard to find the words louder than I sing your praise. I